Hi dear students! Today we are going to learn about quantifiers. Some, any, many, and much. What are quantifiers? A quantifier is a word or phrase which is used before a noun to indicate the quantity or amount. We have some and any. We are going to use some and any when the exact number or amount of something is not known. We are going to use both with singular and plural nouns. Some is used with positive sentences, and any is used with negative sentences and questions. Let's see many examples. There is some cheese in the fridge. Cheese is a singular noun. For that reason, we are going to use some to mention this noun. There isn't any fruit in the fridge. Or, do you have any chocolates? So we can use the nouns fruits or chocolates in a singular or plural form. And for that reason, we can use some or any. Both some and any can be used before countable and uncountable nouns. But if we use them before countable nouns, the noun must be in plural form. For example, I bought some candies. So in this case, the noun candies is in plural form. For that reason, we use some, because we don't use or we don't say some candy, because candy is a countable noun. But if we use some or any before countable nouns, we use in a plural form. Many and much. We are going to use these quantifiers to talk about quantities, amounts, or degrees, and suggest a large quantity of something. Many is used with plural countable nouns. Much is used with singular uncountable nouns, and many and much are used commonly with negative and questions statements. Let's see many examples. In Asia, many people eat rice. People is countable. For that reason, we use many. We don't have much time. Time is an uncountable noun. For that reason, we use much. We use how many or how much to ask about quantity. For example, how many children are playing? We use how many because children is a countable noun. How much coffee do you drink? We use how much because coffee is an uncountable noun. So now we are going to learn about eating words. Let's see. Appetizer is a noun. It means a small amount of food eaten before a meal. For example, we serve some crackers and cheese as an appetizer. A starter is a noun. It means a small dish served as the first part of a meal. For example, we had soup as a starter. Main dish or course is a noun. It means the principal food prepared for a meal. Lamb was the main dish. Side dish is a noun. It means a small amount of food such as vegetables that you eat with a main meal. For example, his steak was served with a side dish of mashed potatoes. Serving is a noun. It means an amount of food that is given to one person at a meal. For example, each serving of cake is 400 calories. Dessert is a noun. The sweet course eaten at the end of a meal. For example, would you like ice cream for dessert? Seafood. It means shellfish and sea fish served as food. For example, shrimps are a popular type of seafood. Broth is a noun. It means thin soup of concentrated meat or fish stock. For example, I boil a chicken broth for dinner. Spice is a noun. It means a substance made from a plant used to give a special flavor to food. For example, pepper is a spice. Mash is a noun. It means a soft mass of a type of food. For example, I ate fried chicken with mashed potato. Well, dear students, don't forget to check your notes, your book, and check your videos, and continue learning each day. See you!